This is Manjaro Linux operating system, and today I will show you how you can install it on your system. For this, you need one thing. This is the bootable USB stick of Manjaro Linux. So plug it in your system. I have already made a video on creating bootable USB stick of the Manjaro Linux. I will put the link in the description. Now I will restart. After plugging it in the CPU, I will press F11 to boot into. Now I will choose this Jet Flash Transcend, the bootable USB stick. Press enter. Now select this option, boot with proprietary drivers. Enter. Now you can see this is Manjaro looking UI, but it is live from the USB. So we need to now install it into the disk or drive. So for that we will go to now we will click on this install Manjaro Linux. With the help of this only we will install Manjaro in our drive. Click on next. Choose your location. Click on next. Your keyboard layout. Next. Now I am going to use my entire disk for the installation of this Manjaro Linux. For the swap, click swap to file. And here the erase disk option should be selected. Here's the drive. I want to master boot. After all these settings are selected, click on next. Your full name, Patel, and enter the name of this computer, which will appear, which you want to keep, that will appear to other users. Now choose a password. Make sure you remember this password, as when it will be installed it will ask you for this password and username. For simplicity I am going to keep it Manjaro, and this password is for administrator account. I want to use the same password for administrator account. Click on next. It will ask you that it will make the following changes to the partitions. Click on install. Install now. This will take a lot of time. I am pausing the video and I will come back when it will be completed. I am back and now you can see it is completed and it is showing all done. So now we will restart. Click on restart now and done. Unplug the bootable USB stick. And now let it boot normally. Wait for it to boot, and there it is. Now enter the password which you entered in the setup process. And click on login. Oops. Manjaro login. It will take some time, not more than 1 or 2 minutes. Here is the operating system. We will unselect launch at start and Here you go. Manjaro Linux has been installed on your system successfully. Thank you for watching.